Hey guys, welcome back. Today, let's do some box plot with jitters, something like this, with crucial values chi-squared data, with the p-values, the stars. So let's get in. First, let's import the data. So I'll be typing box IL6. So it's read.csv to read the file. As usual, let's put header equals true. Next, let's plot it. So I'll give it as IL6 blocks, ggplot. The data is box IL6, aesthetic x equals IL gp and y equals IL6. Color, modulo factor, group gp. So let's see the data. So I have some data with values and serial number and grouping. So let's see the plot. So you have the plot with no box or dots. Let's do genome underscore box. So legend, I'll put it as false. The width of the line I'll give it as 1.5 and see. Now we got the box plot. For the jitters, let's add genome underscore jitter. So legend equals false and so we got the jitters. So now let's see the skull test. So for that we need the data. So we're comparing IL6 and G grouping. So data would be the box IL6. So we have got the skull values sum rank test. So let's put that in the GG title. So now you got the chi-square test values. We can change the p-values, which is less than 0.001. For comparison of the p-values between groups, let's do comparison. So list, first let's compare the groups of confirmed versus control. Next, let's compare between probable and control. That's done. Let's include the p-value. For that, you'll be requiring the stat compare mean package. Let's label it. This is going to be a big command. So the labeling format would be p format. Comparisons would be the comparison. The length, the tip length of the line would be like 0.02. So this argument is for the stars. So list, let's say cut points, number of cut points maybe 4 to 5. So it would be starting from 0.001 and 0.01, 0.001, like 0.05 and 1. And next, let's give the symbols for this cut points, number of stars, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and ns in the last. And that's done for the stat comparison. So now we have got the comparison line with the p-values. Next, let's do theme. Let's give the axis line element underscore line. Next, let's go for the panel border. I'll just give the x and y axis borders. Next, let's remove the background element underscore blank. Next, let's go for the panel grid. Enter equals blank, panel grid, minor blank. But this command is not required, but then to we use it. Next, let's go for the axis title. Just remove the title of the x-axis, which is not required. Then the fonts for the axis text. Size will be 15 for me. Face will be bold. Let's do the same for the y-axis. Let's see the title of the y-axis. Let's increase the size a bit. So that's done. Anything else? Here we go. So we have got a box plot with jitters, p-values, and Kuskal values chi-square test. So in case we need to move the title, let's move that to the center. Our plot title. Let's bring it to the center. The size 18 and face equals bold. Let's align the title vertical -1 and horizontal 0.5. Now let's check. So that's done. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.